Okay, let's have the common monomial factoring. Letter A, we have 4a plus 4b minus 4c. So how many terms do we have in class? We have 1, 2, and 3. So if you are going to factor that one, make sure in your parentheses here you have also 3 terms. Your answer here will be here. Okay, I'm going to put here like a blank for the answer here. And then you have the plus. You write the plus here. And then the answer for here will be here. And then that's the minus here. And then for 4c we have an answer here. And then we have a close parent there. So we have parentheses. Because if you have trinomial, this should be trinomial also. If we have binomial, we have 2 terms, only 1 and 2, and we have only 1 and 2, and there is a plus there. If we have this one, we have a binomial, so we have 1 here minus another here. So here, what is this one? How many terms? 1, 2, and 3. So in your parentheses, you should have 3 terms also. And here, 1, 2, and 3. Inside your parentheses, you should have 3 also, 3 terms. 1 minus, 1 plus, and then another one. We have 3 terms inside the parentheses. Okay, let us extract what should be the HCF here. That's the highest common factor of this 4a plus 4b minus 4c. Where do we start? Start from the number. So we have 4 here, 4 there, and 4 there. So it's common to all of them. So we extract the 4. We remove the 4 here. What about the letters? We have A here, but we don't have A there. We have B here, but we don't have the B here or there. We have C here, but we don't have the C here and here. So for the letters, we don't have the letters. So our only HCF is 4. So I'm just going to write here the parent. So 4. Now we divide. Do you know how to divide? We have 4. You divide this by the HCF. So you have 4. You divide by 4 is 1. When it is 1, okay, you may write if you want. Okay, 1. Okay, 4 divided by 4 is 1. A divided by nothing. Then you write A because there's nothing there. Check. 4 times A is 4A. You can check that one by multiplication. Or you can just remove the 1 here. Because 1A is the same as A. 4 times A is 4A. 4, second one here, for here. 4 divided by 4 is 1. But you have the B there, and we don't have anything here. So we write the B there. Multiply 4 times B, 4B. Check. Minus, and you have the minus there. 4 divided by 4 is 1. But there is a C there. So you put the C here. Now, if there is no C there, you put the 1. Because if you're not going to put the 1 there, so what's that minus what? So you should put the 1 there if you don't have any letter there. We are not putting any model numerical coefficient of A, B, and C here because we know it's 1. Okay, that's the answer there. Right, we have a binomial. So let us extract 5. Start from the 3. Okay, start from the 3. The lower one. 3, but we cannot get the 5 here. This 5 from 3. So we don't have HCF, a number HCF here. Now let's go to the letters. We have letter C here and another letter C there. Therefore, they are both to both of them the C. Therefore, our C is the HCF, and then we can have a parent here. So 5C divided by C over C. 1 minus 1, 0. C to the 0 is 1. Or we simply cancel the C. So what remains is the 5 here. Plus, don't forget to have binomial here. Binomial there. So 3c divided by c, cancel the c, and you have here the 3. Okay. If you are going to simplify, that is our common monomial factoring. But if you are going to simplify, and you say, teacher, that's like terms. Okay, fine. You add 5 plus 3. So you give 8, and then you write the c. But we are just going to show you how to factor that on the common monomial factoring. Okay, letter C, we have a binomial here. So our answer must be binomial inside the parenthesis. We have the 9 and the 3 here. So I'm just going to get the HF. We start from where? From the 3. So can we get the 9 from the 3? Yes. So we have the 3 because 9 divided by 3 is 3. We can divide 9 by 3. Now the letters. A. Have A here? Yes. Do you have an A here on the other side? On the second term? Yes. So A. B. Do you have a B here? B squared, but there's a B here which is to the first. So it's the, do you want to take? You take the first, B to the first. So we have 3AB as our HCF, and then you write the parent, the open parent. Okay, and here inside this one, you should 1, 2 separated by minus, and it should be a minus here. Then we divide this by this. So you start with the number 9 divided by 3 is 3. Write A and A is a cancel. So we don't write anymore the A there because A is, it will become 1. What about the B? When we divide, we subtract the exponent, the B squared, divide by B. So we have B, actually we are subtracting the exponent, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is 3B to the first power. Next, minus, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay. A divided by A is 1. B divided by B is 1. So you're not going to leave this one as 3B minus nothing. You should put the 1 here, or else it will be wrong. So we want to check. 3AB times 3B will give you 9AB squared minus. When you multiply 3AB times 1 will give you 3AB. Okay. Now let's have this one. It looks like complicated because of the x and y, and we have different exponents, and we have a trinomial here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. In our past lessons, where are we going to start? From the smallest of the numbers, 6, 12, and 27. We start with a 6. Factors of 6, 6. 1 times 6, 6. 2 times 3. What else? Nothing. 6, 2, and 3. 1. I remove the 1. So start from where? From the 6. If we can use that one. So let's see. 12 divided by 6. It's okay. It's 2. Okay, let's have 27. If this 27 is okay with the 6. 27 divided by 6. Oh, it's not exact. Okay. It's okay. Let's use the 6. Second highest is the 3. Don't use the 2. It's for the last one. 3. Second to the highest number. 3. Can we divide 12 by 3? Yes, exact 4. Can we divide 27 by 3? Yes, exact 9. So this one is our HCF, which is 3. After the numbers, we do the letters. Let's have the x. We have x here. It's x squared. We have an x here. Oh, to the first. And on the third one, we have x cubed. So we are going to choose the 3, the 1, or the 2. We choose the lowest exponent which is x to the first. Okay, what about y? We have y to the first here. Do you have y here? Yes, also y to the first. What about this one? We don't have, so y will not be extracted from this one. It is not the HCF because we don't have the y here. There are only two y's here, first term and the second term. So we have 3x only is our HCF, and then we write the open parent. Now we divide. We should have three terms here. 6 we divide by 3 will give us 2 here. Now letters x squared, and this one x to the first, to subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1 is x to the first, simply x. Y, we don't have y here, write the y there, don't leave the y, and then you write the y. Minus, minus. 12 over 3 is 4. Okay, x and x cancels, it is equal to 1. But you have still the y there, don't forget the y. Plus, and then you have the plus there. 27 divided by 3 is 9. X cubed divided by x, 3 minus 1 exponent here will give us x squared, and then you write the closed parent. So you have 3 terms inside our parenthesis here. If you are going to multiply 3x times this, it will give you 6x squared. Why? You multiply 3x by 4y and you have 12xy here. Multiply 3x by 9x squared is 7x cubed. That is what we call distributive property of multiplication. Okay, let's have the last one here, which is letter E. We have 12, 18, and 30. Where do we start? From the smallest numerical coefficient, which is 12. Okay, let's factor the 12 here. 1 times 12, we will not write anymore the 1, times 2. 2 times 6, 3. 3 times 4, 5, no. 6, it's there. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. So we have 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. Where are we going to start? From the 12. See if we can use the highest here. So 12. 18 divided by 12. Oh no, we can't. So 12 out. Next in line, the 6. Can we divide 18 by 6? Yes, it's 3. What about 30? Can we divide 30 by 6? Yes, it's 5. So we get the 6. It's the 6. Now let's have the letters. This one has an A, this one has an A also, and this one has an A. Let's look at, because they have all the A's here, let's look at exponent. This one is 4, this one is 3, this one is 2. Select the smallest one, which is A squared. Let's have the B. We have a B here, we have a B here, we have a B here. Now let us look at exponent here. 2 and 3, you select the B squared, the smaller. Okay, so we have 6 squared, B squared is our highest common factor, and that'll be out. So let us now divide. 12 divided by 6 is 2 here. A4. A4 divided by A squared, subtract exponent. 4 minus 2 is A squared. B cubed divided by B squared, subtract exponent. 3 minus 2 is B to the first. And then B, right, minus, so we have put the minus here, divide, 18 divided by 6 is 3, A cubed divided by A squared, 3 minus 2 is A, and B squared is equal to 1. Usually we say cancel, so we don't write anymore the 1 there, okay, plus, and then we have the plus. 30 divided by 6 will give us 5 here. The A squared divided by A squared here is equal to 1. So we don't write the 1. The B squared here divided by the B squared here is equal to 1. So we don't write the 1 anymore. So this is our final answer. Count again, check. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Trinomial, and we have our factored form of this expression. expressions here. Okay, that's all for common monomial factoring class, and next lesson will be the common binomial factoring.